like that. The logo serves as a welcome page, and also the login page. You can enter your password like na f@gmail.com, then password, and you will log in. And also the home page, you can choose that you want to purchase, like parang which is pwede kang mag-add to cart ng mga gusto mong product, like yung necklace, ganun. And dito sa heart is lalabas ang mga favorites na gusto mong i-purchase. Then cart, yan, lalabas ang my cart. Then if gusto mo ng dalawa ng product na to, then yan, check out. Then dun pupunta sa order details, and that's it. And you can place order product. The order successful, then return home. And also heart is the favorites, and the notification, it shows the updates of your orders, like kapag kung approve na ba yung ganyan, order mo, ganun, kung deliver, ganun. Then sa cart, ayun, ikaw mag-add ng mga product, kung ilan yung purchase mo. Check out, yan. Then the profile, my profile, ito sa my account is it shows the personal details, and pwede mo siyang ma-edit. Yan, pwede siyang ma-edit. Then my orders, then yung to pay, to ship, and to receive. If kung to pay pa lang yung order mo, ganun, and to ship, ayan, labas. Then also the message, pwede mong i-message yung mga concerns na pwede mong sabihin, ganun, mga concerns about the product and the deliveries. And also the log out. Nandito na tayo sa homepage, ay sa login page. And then dito pa pala, if wala kang account, pwede kang mag-register, and register ng account, then sign up lang. Ever kung may gusto mong gumawa ng account, then that's all.